Why does popcorn pop? Imagine a bunch of super tiny kittens, all snuggled up tight inside a little kernel house. Each kernel is like a tiny cat condo, with a few playful kittens and a drop of water inside. As things heat up, it's like the sun getting super strong outside their condos. The water turns into steam, like a tiny sauna for the kittens. They start wiggling and jiggling with excitement. The steam pushes harder and harder against the condo walls. Suddenly, pop! One little cat bursts out, then another and another. Their kitten energy makes the whole kernel house explode. The inside of the condo flips inside out, and the kittens turn all fluffy and bouncy. That's the fluffy popcorn we love to eat.